Hello, this is a video tour of 219 17th Avenue. We're at the exterior of the building. We're going to be touring a lovely top floor 2-bedroom unit, very large, spacious unit. You enter the building. To the left here is the garage. There is one spot available to rent. You would be renting it from the downstairs tenant. It comes with private storage, and through the garage you have a lovely garden, which you can access from the unit. Okay, so let's enter the unit. This building is located just a block and a half away from the slow streets of Lake and many wonderful restaurants, shops, and conveniences. Okay, so here we are on the top level here. To start this tour off towards the front of the building, where you'll see a nice, big, sunny living room. You do get lots of natural light, beautiful hardwood floors, decorative fireplace, built-in bookcase. There are double pane windows throughout. This is the view out the window here. And formal dining room. You have a built-in buffet, beautiful wood paneling, nice spacious dining room, which is just outside a beautiful kitchen with granite counters, stainless designer appliances, so you have a range, dishwasher, hood. There's your wine rack, refrigerator. In the back porch, you have private laundry machines, a little bit of storage back there, and this is the rear egress, which takes you to the backyard and storage. Okay, so here we are back in the entryway. Let's walk down the hall and I'll show you the bathrooms and the bedrooms. This is the first split bath, so you have a tub and bathtub combination with large shower head, double sink. The toilet is in the room next door, which is very convenient. Here is the first bedroom. They're pretty equal in size. Each of these rooms are large enough to fit a king-size bed and so much more. They're also both located towards the back of the building, so it is extremely quiet. Nice big closet here. Here is another closet in the hallway. Master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. You have a nice big closet with custom shelving. And this faces the back of the building. Full bathroom attached, so you have a shower and separate bathtub. There's your toilet, and you have a nice big shower head here as well. And there you go. If you're interested in this beautiful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com and contact us for our next available showing so you can see the spectacular space in person. Thanks so much and have a great day.